Hello everyone, this is Kartikeya. Welcome to my channel Yumcart. Today, let us learn about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency invented in 2008 by an unknown person or a group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency began use in 2009 when its implementation was released as an open source software. It is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer to peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediates. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributor ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. It has been criticized for its use in illegal transactions, the large amount of electricity used by miners, price volatility, and theft from exchanges. Some economists, including several Nobel laureates, have characterized it as a speculative bubble at various times. It has also been used as an investment, although several regulatory agencies have issued investor alerts about Bitcoin. History: the domain name bitcoin.org was registered on 18th August 2008. On 31st October 2008, a link to a paper authored by Satoshi Nakamoto titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was posted to a cryptography mailing list. Nakamoto implemented the Bitcoin software as open source code and released it in January 2009. Nakamoto's identity remains unknown. On 3rd January 2009, the Bitcoin network was created when Nakamoto mined the starting block of the chain, known as the Genesis block. Embedded in the coin base of this block was the text "The Times, 3rd Jan 2009, Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." This note references a headline published by the Times and had been interpreted as both a timestamp and a comment on the instability caused by fractional reserve banking. The receiver of the first Bitcoin transaction was cypherpunk Hal Finney, who had created the first reusable proof of work system (RPW) in 2004. Finney downloaded the Bitcoin software on its release date and on 12 January 2009 received 10 Bitcoins from Nakamoto. Other early cyberpunk supporters were creators of Bitcoin predecessors such as VDAI, creator of B-Money, and Nick Szabo, creator of BitGold. In 2010, the first known commercial transaction using Bitcoin occurred when programmer Laszlo Hansich bought two Papa John's pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Blockchain analysts estimate that Nakamoto had mined about 1 million bitcoins before disappearing in 2010 when he handed the network alert key and control of the repository over to Gavin Anderson. Andreessen later became lead developer at the Bitcoin Foundation. Andreessen then sought to decentralize control. This left opportunity for controversy to develop over the future development path of Bitcoin. In contrast to perceived authority of Nakamoto's contributions. 2011 to 2012. After early proof of concept transactions, the first major users of Bitcoin were black markets such as Silk Road. During its 30 months of existence, beginning in February 2011, Silk Road exclusively accepted bitcoins as payment, transacting 9.9 billion bitcoins worth about $214 million. In 2011, the price started at 30 cents per year of Bitcoin, growing to $5.27 for the year. The price rose to $31.50 on 8 June. Within a month, the price fell to $11. The next month, it fell to $7.8 and then to $4.77. 2013 to 2016. In 2013, prices started at $13.3, rising to $770 by 1st January 2014. 2017 to 2019. On 15 July 2017, the controversial segregated witness SegWit software was approved. SegWit was intended to support the Lightning Network as well as improve scalability. SegWit was subsequently activated on the network on 21st August 2017. The Bitcoin price almost rose 50% in the week following SegWit's approval. On 21st July 2017, Bitcoin was trading at $2,748, up 52% from 14 July 2017's $1,800. Supporters of large blocks who were dissatisfied with the activation of SegWit forked the software on 1st August 2017 to create Bitcoin Cash. Prices started at $998 in 2017 and rose to $13,412 on 1st January 2018 after reaching its all-time high on $19,783 on 17 December 2017. 2020 to present. According to Coinmetrics and Forbes, on 11th March, 281,000 bitcoins were sold by owners who held them for only 30 days. This compared to 4,131 bitcoin that had laid dormant for a year or more, indicating that the vast majority of the Bitcoin volatility on that day was from recent buyers. During the week of 11th March 2020, as a result of COVID-19 pandemic, cryptocurrency exchange Kraken experienced an 83% increase in the number of account signups over the week of Bitcoin's price collapse, a result of buyers looking to capitalize on the low price. On 13th March 2020, Bitcoin fell below $4,000 during a broad COVID-19 pandemic related to market sell-off, after trading above $10,000 in February 2020. Supply. The successful miner finding the new block is allowed by the rest of the network to reward themselves with newly created bitcoins and transaction fees. As of 11th May 2020, the reward amounted to 6.25 newly created bitcoins per block added to the blockchain plus any transaction fees from payments processed by the block. To mine half of the supply of bitcoins took 4 years, but the remainder will take another 120 years because of an artificial process called Bitcoin halving, according to which miners are compensated by fewer BTC as time goes on. To claim the reward, a special transaction called Coinbase is included with the processed payments. All bitcoins in existence have been created in such Coinbase transactions. The Bitcoin protocol specifies that the reward for adding a block will be halved every 210,000 blocks, or approximately every 4 years. Eventually, the reward will decrease to zero and the limit of 21 million bitcoins will be reaching to 2,140. The record keeping will then be rewarded solely by transaction fees. Security. Bitcoins need a private key. If the private key is lost, the Bitcoin network will not recognize any other evidence of ownership. The coins are then unusable and effectively lost. For example, in 2013, one user claimed to have lost 7,500 bitcoins worth $7.5 million at the time when he accidentally discarded a hard drive containing his private key. About 20% of all bitcoins are believed to be lost. They would have had a market value of about $20 billion at July 2018 prices. To ensure the security of bitcoins, the private key must be kept a secret. If the private key is revealed to a third party, example through a data breach, the third party can use it to steal any associated bitcoins. As of December 2017, around 1 million bitcoins have been stolen from cryptocurrency exchanges. Regarding ownership distribution, as of 16 March 2018, 0.5% of Bitcoin wallets own 87% of all Bitcoins ever mined. As of now, 1 Bitcoin equals to 35 lakhs in Indian rupees. Regardless the number of miners, it still takes 10 minutes to mine 1 Bitcoin. At 600 seconds, all else being equal, it will take 72,000 gigawatts or 72 terawatts of power to mine a Bitcoin using the average power usage provided by ASIC miners. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Meet you in the next video.